Samantha Thomas, where do I start? I think our funniest memory together would have to be, as always, it involves alcohol later on in the night, but it would be at Just Penning's 21st, and we were sitting on the couch together and started having conversation, and then the next minute it turned into this big D&M. And we were probably there for about half an hour, and the girls were trying to get us up to dance and kept telling us to shut up, and we were like, yeah, be there in a minute, and then it was like another half hour later. We got into some good and some bad conversations about everything, and things I never thought I'd talk to you about, which was pretty funny. But yeah, that's what I thought of as soon as it came up. The only other thing, of course, you would say the funniest thing between us two was my big stack in front of the club. And that's not only mine was worse, it was 10 times worse, but I believe you had the exact same fall in front of the club, and it was before me, a few weeks before, I think I forget whose birthday, but someone's birthday. You got your heel stuck in the cement and face planted as well, so it's not just me, but we have that in common. Yes, so I hope you, just to throw it in there, I hope you have a great birthday, and I can't wait for all the things Planet's going to go off. Happy birthday! Bye!